going on, guys? FatherDoom here today. Using my friend's welding helmet automatically lens. This is the third time for me, so we're doing good.
Oh, hurry up! Sorry about the flash, everyone. This is welding. I'm sorry this isn't construction or anything, but look at how hot FatherDoom is. Hi, Andrew.
Yeah.
FatherDoom. Fuck. And if you want to see the motivation of the day,
Okay,
right here.
I have the weld right now because we got to clean up.
Yeah.
Oh, we already done. We already got checked. And this
Let's
weld
check out
was the
his
first
weld.
one, and that welds with the automatically lens, so it's crappy, just to let you guys know. And subscribe to the White's channel and go to my channel, the link down in the description. And see you guys all later with a brand new video. And welcome to the FatherDoom clan.
Alright, well, see you later, everybody. Like my friend FatherDoom25000 said, link will be in the description. And if you do want us to do more welding, please comment down below. And I will see you guys all later. Goodbye.